So this car got chipped off. It's a Toyota Corolla. Basically, the bumper came off just like my the other car. So what I did is just because this returner basically the clip inside broke. So I just drew another hole with a bigger diameter screw and screw them together outside of the bumper with inside liner. For the Ford vehicle is actually the inner layer, the soft plastic is actually outside of the bumper. This is a reverse, so outside the bumper and inside is a soft liner. But either way, you can just screw it together, hold it tight and screw it the same way as I did for the other car. And the other side of this bumper too. And as you can see, it's slightly, see this whole part is moving. But just a simple screw can get this work done. Even though this, I mean, because the click inside of this part is broke. So there's no proper way to secure it up unless you go for a body shop that actually welding the inner clip together. Then that's going to be a whole lot of work to do and a lot of money. And I mean, I know this is a temporary fix, but this, as you can see, this bolt is rusted, pretty rusted, and it's been holding this bumper. Even on the other side, I have another 2 bolts to tighten up things. It's been doing well, and this bolts, the plastic, you can tell is over a year now. So hopefully this video helps you just to get easy fix of your bumper. If it some sort of like popping out, you can put it back together, just use a screw. Yeah, and I hope this video helps you.